Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Apple review, and as you can see, I am in love with the Apple product, so probably I am going to keep on going with making more Apple products review unless you guys comment down below something different that you guys want me to do. And so today we're going to be talking about the special iPhone XS Max that everyone has been talking around YouTube and outside of our community. So for more awesome videos, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started with this review. As you can see, we have the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS. We have welcoming the big screens, Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, a large and big screen. And as you can see from other phones like Samsung's or Androids, like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, that is the biggest screen. So I would say that Samsung has more technological advancement of doing what things they want to achieve, instead like the iPhone, they need to really progress and get up there with them if they want their iPhone to be the number one in our globe. So the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone in a breakthrough dual camera system with depth control, iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone taken to the extreme. We have Super Retina and bigger. The custom OLED displays on iPhone XS deliver the most accurate color in the industry, HDR and true blacks. And iPhone XS Max has our largest display ever on an iPhone. Right here we have iPhone XS Max and one iPhone XS. So the iPhone XS Max is 6.5 display and the iPhone XS 5.8 display. I would recommend you guys, if you guys are going to purchase a particular phone that is Apple products, will be the 6.5 display, but it will be a little expensive than the 5.8 display. Right here we have the all screen makes all the difference. We have 2 things to compare, the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone 8 Plus. So as you can see with the iPhone XS Max, there is a notch right here where rumors leaking that the iPhone 11 coming in 2019, there will be a smaller notch on the ever big display, and the iPhone 8 has a rectangular display and a home button that you can't see with the iPhone 10. The exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, a beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision machined surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. So I've seen videos of YouTubers doing the drop test or the water resistance on the iPhones, and I recommend you guys to go watch those videos if you are curious on buying an iPhone XS or iPhone X Max. We have right here the wireless charging. The glass black allows iPhone XS to charge wirelessly, and it charges even faster than the iPhone X. So I am really surprised because I don't have it in hand, but hopefully it is true what they're saying, that it is to charge wirelessly, because obviously iPhones, I can see from them that they run out of battery really fast, and that is something I want iPhone to change. Security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. That is super beneficial for people who wants to do things fast, or they have an emergency, things like that. With your face, the iPhone will recognize your face and immediately unlock your phone. We have the intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone with our next generation neural engine. Something we haven't talked about is about the camera too, so we're going to go on with that right now. So it is saying up to 50% faster graphic performance with the A12 Bionic, not the camera, up to 15% faster performance cores and image signal. So right now going on with the camera is something that I want to talk about. The breakthrough dual camera system, the world's most popular camera, is defining a new era of photography where an innovative sensor works with the ISP, a neural engine, to help you create photos like never before. So obviously they want to create something different from other phones. So they want a first phone to be like a camera, like a Sony, Canon. So one thing is that you can adjust if you want a blur background. We have the larger and deeper pixels. A new sensor creates better image fidelity, greater color accuracy, and reduced noise in low light shots. Enhanced bokeh effect, as you can see with this picture. This person is in the front and the background is blurred, because you can adjust what you guys want. Let's say if you want the contrast, color, portraits, you can now adjust depth of field to get the amount of blur you want in the background. So that is something I'm looking forward to. Also, we have the dual 12MP rear cameras. You can see that the camera is really big. This 1, 2, 3, we have the flashlight and probably the camera. Dual 12MP rear cameras. We have wide angle lens, telephoto lens, 2 times faster sensor for smart HDR across your photos, 4K video up to 60 FPS, and you can see true depth camera. And this iPhone XS delivers gigabyte class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. So this is the most thing that Apple can do. I mean, there's other phones that are winning iPhone technological things, like the Samsung. They're probably winning them because they have probably the Samsung Note 9 or Galaxy 9. They have over 1 terabyte of storage, and iPhone only has the final gigabytes is 512. So they probably need to really work more on what they really want to achieve. So the lower least expensive price, if you want to purchase this one, is 64 gigabytes for $1,099. That's the cheapest one, and really I don't know if it is worth it or not. Some people would say yes, some people would say no. So, and also the reasons to why upgrade to this phone, that is the question for most of the people that want to upgrade, but they want to know why they need to upgrade. We can see what's in the box. We have AirPods with lightning connector, iPhone obviously, lightning to USB cable, and the 5W USB power adapter. And if you guys want more videos relating to Apple products or other gadgets, and obviously comment down below and I will answer your questions or your comments. And yeah, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye.